Welcome to Best Buying Guide. The Best Video Microscope is probably one of the most versatile and powerful tools available for anyone looking to explore the microscopic world with unprecedented clarity and detail, allowing for easy sharing and collaboration on findings, making it an indispensable asset for educators, hobbyists, and professionals alike who demand precision and accessibility in their investigations. Number 5. Elikliv LCD Digital Coin Microscope 1000X. Experience stunning 720p HD visuals on a large 4.3-inch screen. Its 8 adjustable LED lights ensure a fully illuminated view, reducing eye strain for comfortable extended use. This powerful magnifier allows you to zoom in and explore the finest details of your subjects. Discover a world of intricate patterns and textures like never before. Easily connect it to your Windows or MacBook for a larger viewing experience. Share live images with others or save your findings for later analysis. With 8 adjustable LED lights, you can achieve perfect illumination in any lighting condition. This ensures clear, detailed observations and enhances overall image quality. This device is perfect for a wide range of applications, from inspecting electronics and coins to educational purposes. Its built-in rechargeable battery provides up to 3 hours of portable use. The height-adjustable stand allows you to easily modify the distance to your subject. This provides flexibility for varying magnification needs and helps you achieve precise focus. What we like. This microscope offers a clear 4.3-inch display with 720p HD imaging, making it easy to see details without straining your eyes. It also connects to your PC for a larger view, perfect for sharing or detailed analysis. If you're looking for a portable and user-friendly option for inspecting coins, jewelry, or for educational purposes, this is a great choice. What people say. It provides very clear information on items with very small writing. It is very versatile since it can be removed from the base to magnify anything anywhere. The resolution is just enough, and there are settings to zoom in even more while maintaining clarity. Number 4. TOMLOV DM4S 1000X Coin Microscope. Ignite your curiosity with this powerful yet easy-to-use digital microscope. It's perfect for teens and adults interested in science, engineering, or coin collecting. Experience crisp, real-time images and videos on a 4.3-inch screen. Its large size enhances comfort and reduces eye strain. See every detail clearly with 8 built-in LEDs and 2 adjustable base lights. Reduce glare and improve visibility for stunning close-ups. Magnify your view from 50x to 1000x to discover incredible details. Observe the world like never before. Easily take photos and record videos of your findings with the included 32GB SD card. Save and share your discoveries. Connect it to your computer for an even larger viewing experience. No extra software is needed, just use your system's default camera app. Built with a sturdy aluminum alloy frame for long-lasting use, it's ideal for detailed work like micro-soldering. You can even detach it from the stand for portable exploration. What we like. With its 4.3-inch screen and additional adjustable base lights, this microscope provides excellent illumination and reduces glare, making it ideal for detailed work. The robust metal stand ensures stability for tasks like micro-soldering or detailed coin examination. If you are a coin collector or hobbyist who needs a reliable and sturdy microscope for intricate tasks, this one is worth considering. What people say. The image was clear and flat across the entire screen. It was steady, well lit. I appreciated being able to adjust the brightness of the objective LEDs and gooseneck LED separately. The base is metal and stabilizes the scope. The optics easily magnified the inclusions in a sapphire ring that were impossible to see with a 30x lighted loupe. The scope was less than $50. It has features that match many stereo microscopes costing $200. It works great, is easy to set up and use and is capable of taking photos of the coins. I am extremely satisfied with the quality of the product, the price, and the extra effort the company went to in satisfying my request. Number 3. TOMLOV DM9 Max Digital Microscope. Immerse yourself in stunning clarity on the 10.1-inch IPS screen. Experience vibrant colors and wide viewing angles for an exceptional visual journey. Discover intricate details with an impressive zoom range from 5x to 1500x. It's perfect for examining coins, electronics, and the hidden wonders of nature. Easily share your findings on a larger scale. Connect it to your computer, TV, or projector via HDMI or USB-C for presentations or collaborative viewing. Record and save high-quality images and videos with a single button. The included 64GB SD card provides plenty of space to store and share your explorations. Capture clear sound along with your videos thanks to its advanced noise reduction and sensitive microphone. This is ideal for recording lectures or detailed observations. Work with ease on its taller stand and larger base, providing ample space for detailed tasks like coin examination and soldering. Achieve stable and precise observations with the wireless remote. Adjust magnification, capture images, and record videos without disturbing your subject. What we like. This microscope boasts a large 10.1-inch HD IPS screen for an immersive viewing experience and offers a powerful 1500x zoom for exploring intricate details. Its HDMI and USB output allows easy connection to larger displays or computers, perfect for presentations or collaborative learning. If you need a high-definition microscope with a large screen for detailed inspection of coins, electronics, or for educational demonstrations, this model excels. What people say. The screen is more than large enough, but I will attempt later to connect to a TV with included HDMI cable. The magnification is perfect. Able to zoom and still work on watch because the height of the adjustment pole is perfect. Resolution is awesome. The screen is more than large enough, but I will attempt later to connect to a TV with included HDMI cable. The magnification is perfect. Able to zoom and still work on watch because the height of the adjustment pole is perfect. Resolution is awesome. The picture is very clear and the features on this unit are very neat. Number 2. TOMLOV DM602 Pro Digital Microscope. Experience unparalleled clarity with its advanced 144 LED ring light. This provides brighter, more even illumination, allowing you to see the tiniest details with exceptional precision in any lighting condition. Examine larger objects with ease thanks to its upgraded 13-inch boom arm stand. It offers extensive adjustability, providing a wider field of view for comfortable and flexible operation. Unlock endless exploration possibilities with its 3 specialized lenses. From detailed circuit board inspection to full coin observation and even biological specimens, it handles it all. View your discoveries on a stunning 10.1-inch IPS screen. Enjoy vibrant images with a wide viewing angle, perfect for sharing your findings with others. Connect effortlessly to your computer or a larger display via HDMI or USB. This makes it simple to share your fascinating discoveries or capture images for further analysis. Capture and save your incredible findings with the one-button recording function. The included 64GB card provides ample storage for all your images and videos. Maintain stable operation with the convenient remote controller. Adjust magnification, focus, and lighting without disturbing your sample, ensuring precision for delicate tasks. What we like. Featuring an exceptional 144 LED ring light for superior illumination and an upgraded boom arm stand for maximum flexibility, this microscope is designed for professional-level detail work. The inclusion of 3 different lenses caters to a wide range of magnification needs, from full coin views to extreme close-ups. If you are involved in electronics repair, detailed soldering, or require versatile magnification for various applications, this microscope offers unparalleled adaptability. What people say. Great quality video. The quality for the price is outstanding. The display looks good, and the remote is super handy. Number 1. TOMLOV DM602 Flex Digital Soldering Microscope. Introducing the TOMLOV DM602 Flex, your ultimate tool for intricate work. Experience unparalleled clarity and flexibility for all your detailed tasks. Achieve up to 2000x magnification with its advanced optics. See every detail with stunning clarity on the expansive 10.1-inch display. The innovative flexible arm allows you to position the microscope exactly where you need it. Work comfortably and efficiently from any angle. Equipped with 3 specialized lenses, it adapts to various magnification needs. From fine electronics to coin collecting, it handles it all. The built-in ring light ensures your subject is perfectly illuminated, reducing shadows and enhancing visibility. Get consistent, bright lighting every time. This comprehensive kit includes an electronic repair mat and a 64GB card, making it ready for immediate use. It's perfect for adults and electronic repair enthusiasts alike. What we like. This microscope offers a flexible arm for precise positioning and a large 10.1-inch HDMI screen for clear viewing, combined with an impressive 2000x magnification. It's ideal for intricate tasks like electronics repair and detailed coin examination. If you need a highly adjustable microscope with a large display for detailed work and require maximum flexibility in positioning your view, this model is an excellent choice. What people say. From the screen resolution making what you're looking at crystal clear, to the mobility of the flexible arm. The new ring light with 144 LEDs is great. It puts the previous light sources being the 10 LED lights to shame. This scope has 3 different lenses you can use. Lenses A, L and D. A offers 2x, 700x, lens L is 60x, 200x, and the lens D offers a astounding 1000x, 2000x. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.